What are the inputs required for a PCB assembly service? Hey, I am Pratham and I am happy to know that you are taking the right step towards getting the functional printed circuit board. Our PCB assembly service are adaptive to your needs and provide a substantial flexibility throughout the process. At the beginning of the process, we will provide you an essential code and a free design for manufacturability check. This is provided based on your dimensions, layers, and side of your preferred and the number of PCBs you want to get assembled. As we proceed further, we require the bill of material, design schema, and every other file necessary for the understanding of the design and functionality and the feature of your PCBs.